Hey everyone, it's Mary Fane Brandt with the LinkedIn Bakery, serving up bite-sized tips so you don't get overwhelmed. This is LinkedIn Live. This is my third episode for my Facebook Live show, and I am coming live to you tonight from this really cute alcove here. I'm at the Seawind Retreat. We're at a private home up in Ramona, and everyone's downstairs or out by the pool, and I'm like, hey guys, I've made a commitment to my audience that I'm going to show up live and give you bite-sized tips so you can rock out your LinkedIn profile and build a strong and strategic network. So I'm holding true to that, and I hope that you will jump on the first and third Wednesdays of the month at 7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time now. So this is a cool little room. The lighting's not that best, but I hope that you guys can hear me. And if anybody is on right now, could you give me a thumbs up or say, hey, Mare, I hear you just fine. And also, I'm here to serve you guys. And one of my God-given talents is being a connector. I love connecting people together. So tell me where you're watching from, what city and state, what your business is, and maybe if you know who a good connection for you and your business, who might that be? So for example, career coaches. I'm a career coach. Recruiters are a great connection for me because I can team up with them, sometimes maybe doing a workshop or one of my LinkedIn labs and helping their customers rock out their LinkedIn profile so they get found. So that would be an example of who might be one strategic connection for me. I'd love to know where you're watching from and who I can connect you with. If you go on LinkedIn and you see that I'm connected with someone, drop me a message and I'll see what I can do about connecting you with that person. But let's get to tonight's topic. I'm on LinkedIn a lot, and one of my favorite things to do is to help people really create a custom headline that attracts your ideal client or audience while deflecting the ones that you don't want to be working with or just aren't your cup of tea, right? Why spend all that time attracting people that really aren't your cup of tea, that aren't your ideal clients? They're not the people that you can help, right? Let's just work on attracting the clients that we want to work with, the clients that we can help succeed, the clients that we can help improve their lifestyle, find that right job, or whatever it is. So how do you do that? It's really important that you create a custom headline. Now, the LinkedIn headline, you can have 120 characters. Now, in that headline, it's not your title. So I see some people put chief financial officer or accountant. No, don't do that, please. And if you're stuck and don't know what to do, contact me and we can set up a session and we can rock out your headline so you're attracting the right clients and customers. And why this came up as the topic tonight is because I've been on LinkedIn a lot this last week, connecting with people. I did a webinar last Tuesday with Stephanie Liu, who is like a Facebook magician for Facebook Live. She's one of the ones that really got me to do this Facebook Live show with her encouragement, and I can definitely connect you to her. But what happened was I've been on LinkedIn, I've been getting all these connection requests, and you know what? Some of their headlines were confusing. I saw someone who said like social media maven / yoga instructor and speaker. So I'm not sure. Do I contact her for yoga lessons or do I contact her as a social media person? Do you understand what I mean? I'm like, I'm not sure why to connect you. And I've actually seen several of those. Now, if you are a career coach and a LinkedIn strategist, I kind of feel those two go hand in hand because I'm teaching my career clients how to use LinkedIn. Or maybe you're, let's see, what are two other industries or two other skill sets that might go together? It could be tax preparer and accountant. Those tie together. But when you put yoga instructor and social media maven, I'm not sure what you're an expert in. Therefore, I'm not going to connect with you or contact you to work with because I'm not sure where your expertise lies. Don't confuse your audience, folks. If you do yoga on the side, that's great. But is that really what you want to be known for on LinkedIn? You know? Oh, hey, Carla, I'm watching at home in San Diego. I'm a bookkeeper and accountant. Oh, we should talk. We should definitely talk. I'm looking at 2018 and trying to see, um, you know, who I need to work with as an accountant to get my books in order. So let's definitely connect. Carla, if we haven't connected on LinkedIn, please send me an email and please tell me your business. Again, just a little recap. And hi, Karen. How are you doing? Karen's watching from LA area. So let's get back to the topic. It's don't confuse your audience with a confusing headline or profile on LinkedIn. You need to be concise and clear. You need to showcase your expertise and tell me the one thing that you want to be known for on LinkedIn. Do you want to be known as that bookkeeper and accountant, or do you want to be known as the speaker and yoga instructor? I just feel that LinkedIn being the professional platform, you really need to choose the one thing that you want people to contact you for. Now, if all you do is teach yoga and meditation, then that goes together. And if that is your main source of income, if that is your number one priority, then yes, I want to see that in your headline. But if that's what you do as your side gig, if that's what you do as your passion, your fun, your hobby, really shouldn't go in your headline. Maybe you can put that down in your summary under experience or a project. There's other ways to weave some of those passion projects in on your LinkedIn profile. But please, folks, let's not confuse your clients, your potential clients. Let's not turn away clients and customers because they're not sure what you're an expert in. Now, when you go to write your headline, I've created a recipe how to make a hot headline. It's W plus H plus B/V equals a hot headline. If you want to know what that's about, I'll send you my free template. All you have to do is like my business page and leave a comment here that says template, and I will get that template to you. Okay? How does that sound? And I can help you rock out your headline on LinkedIn so you attract your ideal clients and stop wasting time connecting and attracting clients that just are not a good fit. I'll be here the first and third Wednesdays at 7 p.m. with your bite-sized tip, because LinkedIn's a large platform. There's over 17 sections just to fill out on your profile. I can't cover that in one session. I can't cover that in an hour or even two. So every first and third Wednesday of the month, I'll be dropping bite-sized tips so you can rock out your LinkedIn profile. And if you want a little more help, I'm having my monthly LinkedIn lab at HeraHub, 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. And I think the date's October 26th or 27th. It is here. Hey, Damon. It is here on my Facebook page, and I'll be blasting out some more information about that. The LinkedIn Labs are amazing, fabulous, and fun. It's 2 hours of get it done on your profile, building your network, learning how to publish, when to publish, what to publish. It's just amazing. These workshops or labs are only up to 10 attendees. And people have told me, Mary, you should open that up and get like 20 people and fill those up. But you know what? I say no. Why? Because I have a passion for helping you understand how to use LinkedIn. And I like to keep my LinkedIn labs to 10 people so that I can actually walk around the room and you get personal attention from me. We start each lab with a 10 to 15 minute tutorial on the newest LinkedIn feature. And I just found something out about a half hour ago. So that is going to be what I'm dropping next, is for that bite-sized tip for my next LinkedIn Live. And again, in the LinkedIn Labs, we can study it, practice it, and talk about when that new feature that's coming out, when you might want to use it. And it's not out everywhere yet, so I can't actually show it to you. But I am a LinkedIn early contributor, so I'll probably be having access to that really quick. So just to recap, your headline is 120 characters. It should never be your title, like career coach is boring, CFO is boring, trainer, like trainer of what? Be specific. Attract your ideal client. And let me tell you, your business is going to blow up. If you need help on how to really rock out that headline, I am here to help you. We can do a strategy session. And if you want my free template, with about 10 to 15 examples of hot headlines. Just put template in the comments here and I'll shoot that off to you. I've got to go because I've got a retreat going on downstairs and I heard desserts ready, and this girl likes her dessert. So it's time to go downstairs and have some, I think it's strawberries and whipped cream, and go jump in the jacuzzi and retreat, have the rest of the night as a retreat. But I wanted to be here for you guys. This is Mary Fane Brandt with the LinkedIn Bakery, serving up bite-sized tips so you don't get overwhelmed. Bye.